Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Script Smasher. So viewers, in this video I am here with the Tradex Pro binary trading website PHP script. Or viewers, if you want to buy this script from us, or if you want us to build this complete amazing binary trading website and AI trading website for you, you can contact us on WhatsApp or Telegram and we will build this site for you. First of all viewers, here you can see that I am on login page, and here you can just log in using your account details. Viewers, in this video, I'm not only going to show you the complete user panel and admin panel of the website, but we will also create this website from scratch on our hosting. So let me tell you, it will work on any shared hosting, so you don't need to worry about anything. And I'm gonna completely make this website in this video. So watch this video till the end and do like the video and subscribe to our channel. And here you can see that I have already installed it on my subdomain. You can check it out here. And now I am giving you the demo. So here you can see this is the login page. Here is the sign up option, so user can sign up using its details. Now if user already have an account, so here we'll just enter our username, enter your password, and when I click on sign in, it will log us into our user panel of this website. So you can see that we have successfully logged into our user panel of this website. First of all, you can see your total balance. Here you can see your logo and website name over here, that you can change it from admin panel as well. Here you can see there is a live support and notification option. Here's the deposit option, so you can deposit money by going this option. And here you can choose any of the gateway. Basically you can insert these gateways from admin panel, and you can choose any of the gateway. Here you can see there is a QR, there is a Tron address as well, and enter the amount you want to deposit, enter your TRX ID, and when you click on submit deposit request, your deposit request will be sent to the admin. So currently spending, when admin will approve it, the request will be approved and the amount of balance will be added to your account. So here you can see there are different multiple coins. Here you can see hot, gainers, and you can see the losers coins over here as well. Same, like its look is like Binance, so it has a very amazing look. It is completely in demand and completely new in market. So here when I scroll up here, I can see details like different gadgets for the technical analysis. You can do your technical analysis, and here you can see the top stories of the day. And this was the main page, home page. Here you can see different markets, and you can see all those markets over here. And basically you can trade on any of the market: Ethereum, USDT, Algo, XRP. If you want to trade on any of the market, just click that and you can just place your trade on any of the market over here. So this is how you can trade on any of the market. And here you can see there is a main trade page. So from here you can place all your binary trades from here. So here you can see there's a graph over here. You can change the pair from here as well. If you want to change the pair, you can change pair as well. You can just open the chart for 30 minutes, 1 minute, seconds, and here you can do all your analysis over here on the chart, and you can see the live chart over here. Now if you want to place trade, like here you can place trade for 30 seconds, 1 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute, 10 minute, 1 hour. So let's place the trade for 1 minute, and here just enter the amount. Suppose I want to do trade for $10, and basically viewers, you can set the commission of trades on each coin. Like on Ethereum, BTC, you can set the profit commission from the admin panel. And here suppose I will place the trade on up, and now our trade has opened successfully. Here you can see the amount on which we just placed the trade, and now after 1 minute our balance or our profit or loss will be added to our account. Here you can see that amount is deducted from our account as well. You can check your balance, and here it will show you the live trade over here. And here in open orders, like in records, you can see your trades. Here these are all the records, and here you can see the time for our new trade. So that the trade, the one which we placed now, you can see 30 seconds are still left, and here you can see all your completed trades and their profits. Here it will show you all your running trades in the running option. So here currently there is only one trade which is running. So let's see what are the results of this trade. and whether we won or lost. So it will be completely automatic according to the market. So now our time has completed. So when I click on collect now, our profit or loss will be collected. So let's see whether it is profit or whether it is lost. So it is showing trade is closed. So it will show you go to all orders, and here we just won the trade, and you can see your win amount is 0.30 $30. So we just won the trade as well. So here win or lose will be appeared over here after the trade closes. Here is a wallet option. So similarly, here you can deposit money, you can withdraw your money, same like deposit, you can just withdraw your money using any of the payment gateway. Here is a transfer option, so you can transfer your money from one account to another using the pay ID. So that's also an amazing option. Here is a bot trading option, so user can do AI trading as well from here. So yes, you can just click on start trading and it will start the bot trading, and you can give user a bonus. On token, it will show you all the tokens. Here is a check-in, user can just collect its daily bonus. Here is a settings option, so you can change your profile settings, you can change your password, withdrawal pin. Here you can go to Telegram channel of the admin, and here you can read the privacy policy, and this is the about page. So this was all about the user panel of this website. I completely guided you about that, and here when you click here, it will show you all those details as well. You can see all your deposit logs, withdrawal logs, transfer logs, commission, transaction. Here's a referral option, so you can see all the referral related things. Here is your referral ID, here is your referral link. You can invite different people using this, and basically user can earn money through referrals as well. Here is your pay ID and your all details and your verification status. So it's verified account. So I'll log out from here. So now we will go to the admin panel of this website, and I will show you how we can completely manage and control this website from admin panel. So viewers, in order to go to admin, here we will just have to simply type /admin. So it will redirect us to the admin panel of this website. So here we have to fill our admin credentials. So you must have to enter admin credentials in order to log into the admin panel. And after clicking sign in, it will log you into your admin panel of this website. So it has a very amazing admin panel. Viewers, if you want to buy this website or script from us, you can contact us on WhatsApp or Telegram. Both links are in description of the video. You can contact us and buy this at a very reasonable price. And viewers, we will provide you complete support with it, so you don't need to worry about anything. And it has a very amazing look, and we have some other designs as well. So if you want, you can contact us and we will show you them as well, or you can visit our channel and you will find all those videos as well. So here, first of all, you can see the total users on the website. You can see your total transactions, deposits, pending deposit, total transfers, total withdrawals, etc. Over here it will show you the latest deposit requests from users as well, so you can accept them or you can just reject them as well. So here, this is how you can accept or reject them. Here, when you go to manage users, it will show you all the users on your website, and when you go to details, you can add or subtract balance from user account. So here, this is how you can add balance to user account, and here you can see balance is added, and here you can subtract balance from user account. You can change the password of user, you can deactivate or inactive the user as well. So you can completely manage all the users from here, from admin panel. This is the referral settings, so you can set up deposit level referral, or you can set up a referral for AI trading as well. Here you can manage all the coins that are on the website, so you can see all these coins are available, and you can just edit them. You can change their profit, like here currently is 3% profit on this coin, so you can change it to 10%, 30% or 100% profit on the coin. So you can see profit loss, and you can basically manage all these things from here. And if you want to add a new coin, just click on add new, and you can add a new coin to the website as well. Here is a deposit method. So currently there are 4 deposit methods, as you can see it over here. You can edit them as well. So if you want to edit them, you can change their details, payment address, you can edit them. If you want to create your own deposit gateway, just click on add new, and by filling these simple details, you can easily just create a manual deposit gateway from here. You can see all the deposit records in this deposit log section. So all deposit records will be shown you over here. And here is withdrawal methods. So same like deposit method, you can create a withdrawal methods. It's a very simple thing to create a deposit or withdrawal method. Here you can see all your withdrawal records. All the records will be shown you over here. Here you can see all the transactions on the website, and you can see all the transactions. Here you can see all transfer logs, balance transfers, etc. from here. This is a site setting. You can change the name of website, you can change the currency of website, you can use it in any of your local currency or any other coin as well. You can set sign up bonus, crypto API you can set minimum maximum limit, bot trading profits, you can list those things from here. So you can set up bot trading profit of daily profit from here. Here is a help and support, so you can add your Telegram channels for help and support. So this was all about the user panel, admin panel of this website, viewers. Now we will go to our hosting and we will completely install this script from scratch, and I'll completely make this website from scratch, and I'm just showing you that how we can make this website on normal hosting. So let's go and let's make this website. But before that, I request all of you to do like the video and subscribe to our channel. So viewers, to install this Tradex Pro binary trading website script, what you have to do is you all must have to log into your hosting HPanel or cPanel, any of the hosting provider that you are using. Currently I'm using the Hostinger HPanel, so I will install it on Hostinger. So first of all, what you have to do is you have to go to your file manager option. So I'll go to my file manager, and here it will redirect you to your public HTML folder. So now viewers, here you have to go to your public HTML folder, and I will install it on my subdomain. So as you can see, I have already uploaded this script in my Hostinger HPanel. So you just have to click on here and you just have to upload the script file, same like this. In order to purchase this script, you can contact us and you can buy this from us at a very reasonable price. And here click on extract, and we have to extract all the files of script into our root directory of subdomain, or if you are installing it on main domain, you have to extract all these files into main domain. So here it will be appeared like this. Same, here is a guide for installation as well, so you can follow this guide from here. And first of all, you must have to delete the script from your this root directory. Now viewers, what you have to do is you must have to go to your domain, and here this is our domain type /API/install. So it will redirect you to your installer window, so from where you can install it. So here this is our installer window. Click on I agree, next step. You have to just fulfill these requirements. Click on next step, and here we have to fill our all database credentials. Now in order to create the database, what we have to do is here go to management option, and first of all we have to create the database from here. So here just create the database with, you can use any name. Currently I'm using this name, but you can use any of the name you want. And here when I click on create, our database will be created, and let's change the password. Click on create, and our database has created successfully. Now I will just simply copy, you just have to copy the name of your database. Here enter the name of your database and your username, enter your password, and here you have to enter your email. And now details are fulfilled. When I click on install, now it will install our script. Click on go to website and activate, and your site will be created successfully. Now our site is created successfully here. So here you just have to change this link and go to your site link, and website is created successfully. So this is how you can easily create the website, and now we have just successfully created the site. You can see it over here. And this is how you can also create this website. As you can see, it is on our subdomain. So in this video, I guided you about each and everything related to this website, including its installation of script. So viewers, if you want to buy the script or if you need any type of website, you can just contact us and we will build that website for you. And before ending this video, I request all of you to do like the video and subscribe to our channel.